na kay gusto rin. Sige. Hala. Diba, o sana? Okay ng octopus. Jellyfish. And I have a Louis Vuitton bag here. Ano? Bes, hindi pa na ako naka-record. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday. Yep, today is Saturday. I am driving. I'm on my way to see at the Mimi. Yeah, because it's been a while. It's been a while since I haven't seen her, and it's like, I believe it was her last year when it was her birthday. So yeah, it's been like over almost a year now. Yeah, because you know, I'm busy, she's also busy, and yeah, so I'm just gonna go there to pick her up so we can catch up. Let's see. I'm hoping that I don't catch this traffic, so I'll be there quick. This is okay. But yeah, so I'm just gonna talk to you guys later because I don't wanna film while I'm driving anyway. Yeah, so I gotta talk to you guys later, and so you will see her. Yeah, bye. Hey guys, I'm here already. I'm just waiting for her to come. I'm at the parking lot where her apartment is, so you're gonna see her in a little bit. I just texted her that I just parked, so yeah. Guys, after 48 years, hello! I'm here. Yan. Oo, diba? Uy, ang ganda
still learning.
Yung
150 pesos sa Pilipinas.
Sa Philippines mo na ba? Yung sa akin kasi yung galing Philippines pa, sira na siya. Kaya nakabili ako dito. Ito, sa Best Buy siya. Tapos, nagaganda din naman. Pero mas maganda yung octopus kasi. Di ba anong name yan? Octo something?
Octo something. Something octo.
Something octo. Hello.
Hi guys, we're here at Chipotle.
Yeah, we're eating.
Yeah, we're eating. Yun.
Spicy. Kay Glenn. Hot. Spicy.
Uy, kakita ko sa vlog katong ningon, katong na-ask ka niya nga asa dapit babutol niya. Niya na si
Ito niya ako Nicole. Kami mo rin siya asa dapit.
Kabo siya kuwante ka nang ganahan siya sa imong buhok.
Si Dave, gusto niya long.
Pareha lagi sa
Pero gusto niya kung ka di, dako no kayo mo ko.
Dali naman mutubo imong buhok. Dali naman mutubo imong buhok.
May pa-charpas ng lettuce.
Nami ilang ang konti? Ganahan siya expensive, no? Kaan to sa taon?
Ganda na lipstick.
Ever bilhin na?
Ever bilhin na yan.
Patong cinnamon at
Umuwi kasi siya ng Philippines, guys. Tapos, bumili siya ng maraming ganito, yung mga local makeup.
local makeup.
Nagustuhan niya Julina yung yung Caroline.
Caroline, mawala akong natag niya.
This is nice. Soft naman yan. Ito yung sa lips niya. Kakita mo, Glenn. Dito ka. Yan. Doon din.
Kasi pa nga ako ram na siyang butang ang lip liner sa katungkang ni chidil ko sa dala sa lip liner which is Blaze.
Diba?
Wala akong gi-line.
No, as in fairness talaga.
Feel ako, nag-upgrade na ang local na to na kanakuan. Dili na siya murag char-chara bito na makeup na.
True.
I-step up na nila. Pero ari lang akong naproblemahan. Kana bitong ilang shades sa ilang foundation. Which is they have 4 or 5. Yeah, normally, bigyan sa mga Pinay, kinis is brown skin. Yeah. Pero akong gina sa ating pangitai ko, kaya niuli man to akong lula. Okay, Homegoods for the first time. There's always a first time.
Oops. Glenn, in town.
Ayaw, baka matay. Sakit. Uy, naamatay rights. Kaya makita man ang kuwan. Sila mo stop. Hala, oh my god. Hala, halti. Hala, pumpkin nga white. Are you a Halloween?
Are you a Halloween bitch?
Oh my goodness. It's like goblin.
Hello, ang cute din. Oh my god.
Hala, ati. Hala.
Oh my gosh, ang cute.
Hala.
Gusto ko to. Ito, ganitong color. And ito. And ito. Ang cute.
Is she fancy?
Oo. Jaclyn Hill.
Jaclyn Hill na. You know? Hala, nice lagi ni.
Nice too.
Nice lagi ni diri ay. Naman mi home as in na mi home pero never lang jud ko ni kuan never ko ni sod. Guys.
Meron din silang lagay ng makeup. Can you check how much? Ito, price ba to? Gusto ko yung white na. Ang ganda Glenn.
Lagi, wait lang. Where's the price? $0.
Zero na. Oh, sige, kunin mo na. Yung tatlo.
Yes. Free na. Nasa sila naman ko na nga cute na chair. Teo, nasa sila kuan. Ganahan kag black, white,
ito
black
lang
and
gusto
white.
ko.
Indot sad kay
Gusto
wood.
ko kahoy. Oo. Uy, ito, Glenn. Bagay sa'yo. You're a girl boss.
Workaholic.
Workaholic ka kasi. Oh, this is nice. What is this? Oh. Ano to? Hindi alam eh. Sabi ko,
Lang kasi marble eh.
Uy, $5.99. Tapos, lagyan mo ng ano, sulat-sulatan mo siya. Tapos may erase yata. I'm not sure. $69. I like
Have a
it.
seat.
Yes.
Coffee date.
Uy, gusto ko to. Ito. Ang
Nice.
cute. Very nice. Social. Hala, oh.
Ari na lang ta.
Meron pa.
Yan. How Filipina moms take a picture
Ano?
with their Louis Vuitton.
Meron ganyan?
Anong,
Ay, yeah. Para siyang Batman wrap.
oh, kaya siya.
Hindi to Louis Vuitton eh. Ano to, pen shop. Do you like it? It's so social and everything here is so expensive, you know? And I have a Louis Vuitton bag here. Ano? Bes, hindi pala ako naka-record. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Take two.
So, we are here in my new house. This is my new vanity. It's super social. And I have a Louis Vuitton bag here. Uy, baka may magalit sa atin. How hindi kami nagmamak.
Ano lang yan eh.
Uy,
This
please.
how
We love you guys. We're joking. Kasi wala kaming magawa
Less
dito
is
sa...
more. Get
Andito
busy.
kami sa andito kami sa Homegoods. Sobrang
This is our
ganda.
home.
Gusto ko lang ipakita sa iyo yung chair. Diba? Ang ganda ng chair. This is $69.
$69.99.
Ang cute! Ay, ang ganda nito pang vanity. O, tingnan nyo kung mag-makeup ako. Pero dapat nahulog talaga ako ba? Nakuha ako na makeup para makita naman yung chair. O, diba? I'll get my makeup first. Oh.
Puti.
Okay, kayo. Ang apartment best. Kayo, mabalhin po ka. Kasi tawag na, diba, kung mabalhin apartment, kahit balay, lahi na po, di mong gamit.
Address, nanahayag ka ng sana na eh.
Ano, dinahan ko, alin.
Ate, awan, yung reaction ba? Balik, yung reaction.
I love.
Oh my God.
Gusto na itong ganitong color.
Bitaw, eh. Nakakuan siya, nakakabata.
Oo, nakaka-fresh.
Ligin siya masigaw. Hindi na gichok
Ay,
eh.
gusto ko ani kanina. Ay, kahoy-kahoy. $29.99.
Indot, lagi ni inay. Ano yun po?
Lagi.
Kanina ba?
$14.99. Not bad.
14?
Oo. And you can put this sa vanity ni mo.
Hanggang-
This is so pretty.
Di ko ganag purple lang.
Ah, okay. Nita tagdili purple. So, yun na kay gusto rin.
Sige.
Ano? Weird.
Hala. Di ba? O sana? Okay ng octopus. Jellyfish.
Okay, cool. What did I say? Octopus.
Ano ko? Wait. I think jellyfish. Yeah,
Looks
jellyfish.
like octopus.
Looks like octopus.
Okay.
Jellyfish.
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 Oh, this is
Indot siya.
Ay, Jackstone ta.
Asa naman ang bulat eh. Bula. Na-jax.
Naramdaman.
Naramula. O darate, manghugas, malaba na ka.
Ay, ganahan ko, ani.
Nice bito, cute.
Guys, they have a lot. It's very overwhelming. You know?
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is my new living room. I'm so sorry I haven't arranged everything.
Very vintage.
Outstanding. Ay, wala din. Brush pink. This is so nice. Look.
Ang buto palitan at ato na rin ipakyaw na makadaog tagluto.
Lagi para patad sa tagluto guys.
Uy, ang 900 million ati ba? We're here at Ulta. They have the makeup revolution but they don't have the foundation. Yeah. Neutrogena. This is the Essence X Cassie collaboration. And what else? We got the Revlon. Another makeup brushes. I'm hoping that they're still having a sale with that blush brush, which I don't think so. They got the lashes right here too. Ooh, they got the BH Cosmetics. Guys, they do have Tarte and so Tarte hydrating and oh no, that was the hydrating and this is the matte, which is already got that, and I'm waiting to just review. And this is the new foundation as well. It's a Tutti Frutti foundation, which is Do You, which is I'm trying to stay away from Do because I'm oily skin. So it's the full collection right there. Yeah, this is another chocolate. I mean,
a little cooler, so chocolate if you want. 1303. Kind of go either way. How many potential?
you wanna gisuwat na
You can really
wala na dito go na ka.
I won't lie, I like the lighter brow on you, but if you
Let me get a lip applicator.
that's what I
Dili ba? Dili ito.
I always say
Dili siya Ah, okay. Okay rin no?
I think you're right. You already have your brush?
Dili na siya kanang ba? Bakit naman ko na full coverage? More siya.
Okay ra ko work everyday.
Ba't ka nang bisan ako mo to ko work eh. Ganahan ko kanang murag, ganahan ko wala man
Light coverage.
light coverage na siya kay murag ang amo nga sa work kay. Kaya itong kuan na siya ba sa pangalan ni uy. Dili heavy pero at least ma-cover, you know, at least nice coverage lang ma-cover dito siya at least like walang fresh-freshen. Fresh-freshen.
Samo kayo kasi mo.
You have to try this. Masa na siya?
Touch it.
Naana ko yung bronzer. I love it. Yo.
I told ya. It feels so nice.
Oh my god.
I swear it.
Tag 28. Naana ko yung na akong shade kay Tawney.
Lagi, ganahan ko anak pero
You guys doing okay over here?
Yeah, we good. Thank you. Hey guys, we're here at Starbucks. Get some coffee.
what's yours again?
Mocha frap.
Hot and spicy. sabi ko sa kanya kanina, hindi yata yun nakuha sa camera ko, sa camera mo lang. Kasi diba yung food namin sa Chipotle, sa kanya hindi spicy. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, hot and spicy. Siya hot kasi, ako wala talagang ganyan.
Ate, ang color pop, ate ba? Akong try. Guys, uwi na po kami. Uwi na kami. Uwi na siya. Tapos uwi na rin ako.
Thank you so much for watching Glenn's vlog.
Glenn's vlog. Bye guys. Say bye te. Amping mo ha?
Yes.
Sige, bye-bye. Chat lang ko.
By the way guys, I forgot to show you my little outfit of the day. This top is from OOTD Fashion. Jeans is from Fashion Nova right here. And then slides is from Forever 21. I'm here at the bathroom at the Kung Fu Tea. I'm just waiting for my order. So yeah, it's my outfit for the day. Hello guys, this is the Kung Fu milk tea. Alright, so I got the tea, Kung Fu tea. I'm starting to get addicted to this one. It's just good. And I got 2 extra for later. So yeah, I'm on my way home, I believe. Ito na naman tayo. Part 2.
Hey! Kailangan
Part
na maging
2.
careful ngayon. Oh.
Part 2 na to guys.
Kailan hindi na ano.
Bye! Part 2. Inubo lang. Mga walwadera. Guys, look at this Fenty Beauty.
Ayun ba yun?
Ito yung sa akin. Tapos gusto kong bilhin ito lahat. They have unbutton, uncuff, and unveil. And uninvited. Sephora na naman with this crazy here. Guys, they have a bunch of makeup. Oh, they're having sale for the Anastasia foundation, the stick. It's only 17.50 now. It's like 25. Got the blush. Ay, nabingwit na naman.
Nakabili na naman po kami ng makeup.
Nabingwit na
Ito, kapag kami talaga, naku to, dalawa tong babae na to.
Hindi naman kailangan yung makeup.
Ito na gagi, hindi pala to na-upload sa IG. Ito oh. Katulad. Hindi pala siya na-upload.
Parang witch lang eh.
So Edwin, ano dala mo? Sarili ko.
Me, myself, and I. Kawawa naman yung Toys R Us.
Bakit?
Nag-ano na siya talaga, lockdown na, wala na.
Wala na.
Out of, kuan na, out of. Kasi wala nang, may mga bata nag-ano, yung toys, pero not to the point where, you know, may iPad na kasi, doon na sila mag-ano eh, computer.
Yeah, kasi alam mo kahit sa ano din, 'di ba, more on cellphone na talaga. Sa gadgets na talaga yung mga ano. Doon pwede ka na din matuto sa iPad kasi sa mga YouTube.
Ayun na. Reach to 3 years old, wala na. Wala na guys.
Wala na eh. Nga na guys.
Hindi na natin mapipilit yung mga bata. Already dressed and everything. So I'm just gonna do like a quick
hauls from Ulta and Sephora. So yeah, first at Ulta I only got 2 stuff. At Sephora, which is this blush from Juvia's Place. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is their shade Bella blush. And hold on, let me open this for you guys. But anyway, just look like that. That's the packaging. Okay, so this is the blush. This way, there you go, right there. I guess you guys can see that. And ooh, and the shade Bella. It comes with this plastic one. But guys, look, it is so pretty. Like, I can't wait to try this because I'm gonna film a trying new makeup product. So yeah, probably use that. I'm just gonna put that in trash over there. And the other one is this e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Neutral Brown. Ate Mimi made me buy this instead of like the Anastasia Brow Wiz. She told me that this is like a dupe for the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and this is only $5. So yeah, can't wait to try this too. So yeah, that's just for the mini Ulta haul. And for Sephora, I also got 2, which is, I've been wanting to go to the Sephora because of Rihanna, because she just keep releasing makeup. Like, girl, this company's not even just Rihanna, but this makeup brands needs to chill because our bank account, girl. Ooh. Okay, so I got this one from Sephora. So wait a minute, I got the Fenty Beauty liquid lipstick. No, this is the Stunna lip paint right here, and the shade Unveil. She actually released, wait a minute, this one, pink one, I think 3 more shades. I already have the Stunna lip paint, which is the uncensored. I already have that, the red lipstick that I always use. Oh my god, highly recommend that for like red lipstick. It's so pretty. But this is it. Ooh, girl, I got this one because it's, you know, it's already fall. Is this the brown one? Oh yeah, this is already right there, because it's already fall. And you know, and I'm planning to film like a full what should I call it, makeup video. But this is 23. Let me see the receipt. Where's the receipt? No, not 20, but $24. The lipstick's $24. Next one is this Born This Way super coverage multi-use sculpting concealer right there. And then I pick up the shade Warm Beige, and I'm so excited to try this concealer, you guys. Look at that. Then I got a free Cover FX mattifying primer with anti-acne treatment, because I got like 100 points in my Sephora what is that? I got 100 points from my Sephora card. So I got a free mattifying primer from Cover FX. It's just like a little tiny thing. So yeah, that is it for today's vlog, you guys. I am going to take my makeup off because I'm just not having it anymore. Like, oh my god, like the best feeling ever, taking off your lashes. Oh my god, it feels so good. But anyway, that is it for today's video, you guys. I mean vlog. Yeah, I'm gonna take my makeup off and get some rest. I might just check my email first, and you know, do some extra stuff, and then probably eat, and then, you know, sleep, because I am going to work in the morning. And yeah, I gotta get some rest before I go to work. So yeah, that is it for today's vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog, and I will probably see you later soon. Whatever, bye.